Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Grab history. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Launch the Grab app on your smartphone or mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your Grab account. Look for a menu or profile icon. Tap on this icon to open the main menu. Within the main menu, find and select the option for trip history or past trips. This will display a list of your previous rides or transactions. Tap on the specific trip or transaction that you want to delete from your history. This will open the trip details screen. Look for an option to delete or remove the trip from your history. This option may be labeled as delete trip, remove from history, or something similar. If such an option is available, tap on it to delete the selected trip from your Grab history. Follow any on-screen prompts or confirmations to complete the deletion process. You may be asked to confirm your action before the trip is permanently removed from history. If you want to delete multiple trips from your history, repeat the above steps for each trip that you wish to remove. So that's basically how you can delete Grab history. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.